Hello, welcome back to Rotor and Pixel. In today's video, we're diving into Weather Reports Demystified, part of your Part 107 test preparation. You'll have 35 questions in 8 seconds to choose the correct answer. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Rotor and Pixel so you never miss any of our quizzes. Ready? Let's get started. What does METAR stand for? Answer B, Aviation Routine Weather Report. How often are routine METARs issued? Answer B, hourly at 50 to 59 past the hour typical. What does SPECI mean on a METAR? Answer B, special unscheduled report due to significant change. In a METAR, wind direction is given in Answer A, degrees true. What does VRB06KT indicate? Answer C, variable direction, 6 knots steady. What does 00000 KT mean? Answer C, calm, 0 knots. In the visibility field, 10 SM means Answer B, 10 statute miles or more. The term for mist on a meter is Answer B, BR. Z in a METAR stands for Answer B, haze. Precipitation code RA means Answer B, rain. Dash SHRA decodes as Answer C, light rain showers. Thunderstorm is coded as Answer B, TS with qualifiers, e.g. TSRA for thunderstorm with rain. A ceiling for VFR purposes is defined as Answer B, lowest broken, BKN or overcast OVC layer or vertical visibility. BKN means the sky cover is approximately Answer C, 5 to 7 octaves. SHRA 030, BKN 050 tells you the ceiling is Answer B, 5,000 feet, the lowest BKN OVC layer. VV002 in a METAR indicates Answer C. Vertical visibility 200 feet, sky obscured. SKC or CLR in a US METAR generally means Answer B. No significant clouds below a reporting threshold. The altimeter of 2992 means Answer C. Altimeter setting, 29.92 inches of mercury. What does our MK introduce? Answer B. Remarks. Extra details like peak wind, lightning, sea level pressure. The quickest way to check controlled airspace authorization limits tied to weather/airspace for SUAS is Answer B. Use LAANC capable apps when available. TAFs primarily provide Answer B. Forecast weather for an aerodrome. Typical TAF validity period in the U.S. is Answer A. 24 or 30 hours depending on the station. In a TAF, FM 1520 means Answer B. From the 15th day at 20. Tempo in a TAF means Answer B. Temporary conditions expected during specified times. The three ingredients for a thunderstorm are Answer B. Moisture, unstable air, lifting action. The most hazardous thunderstorm stage, strongest up-down drafts, is Answer B. Mature. A microburst typically lasts Answer A. 5 to 15 minutes. Stable air is generally associated with Answer A. Smooth air and poor visibility with possible steady precipitation. Unstable air is typically associated with Answer B. Turbulence, cumuliform clouds, showery precip. A cold front usually brings Answer B. Cumuliform clouds, turbulence, showery precip, wind chill. A warm front often brings Answer B. Widespread stratiform clouds with steady precip and reduced vis. Density altitude increases, performance decreases when Answer B, high temperature, high elevation, and/or high humidity. Radiation fog most likely forms. Answer C, overnight on clear skies with light winds and high humidity. Advection fog forms when Answer B, warm, moist air moves over a cooler surface with wind. For Part 107 operations, minimum weather is Answer B, 3 SM visibility, 500 feet below and 2,000 feet horizontally from clouds. Job, pilots. How many did you get right? Let us know your score in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another FAA study quiz from Rotor and Pixel. Until next time, fly safe and keep learning.